Okay guys, here it is. This is the 2022 KTM 65SX. No, it's not the 2021 before you guys start commenting. It's a 2022. It's unchanged from the 21 model. That means same graphics and everything. The mini bikes did not get any updates this year. I expect one for next year. And so since we don't have anything to talk about as far as updates wise, I'm just gonna start this thing up for you guys and let you listen to it. Maybe a cockpit view. Alright guys, thanks so much for watching. If you have any interest in a KTM mini bike, then contact sales at aomc.mx. They will get you hooked up. Just tell them you saw the MX Guru's video and they'll help you out. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.